and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 12th lesson of D2 chapter number 4 exercise 4a, further expansions and simplifications. In this lesson I will solve question number 15 advanced level that says factorize each of the following expressions completely. Let's move to A part of the question. A part is x square y square plus 2xy minus 15. If you look at the question is the quadratic expression. This question can be solved by hit and trial method, and explanation of hit and trial method has done in my previous lesson. If you find any difficulty in understanding of the method, I'll be giving the link in the description box. Watch those lessons for the clarity of the concept. Let's move to the question. First step is that we have to multiply 15 with the coefficient of square term, which is 1, and the product comes 15 with negative sign. 15 with negative sign. Make prime factors of 15, that is 3 5s and 5 1s. My factors are 3, 5 and 1. 3, 5 and 1. Set the factors in such a way that when you add or subtract, you get 2 at the middle place, and when you multiply, you get minus 15. Minus 15. So the suitable choice, I hope, will be x square y square plus 5xy minus 3xy minus 15. The expression has divided in four terms. Make the groups of like terms. Make the groups of like terms and then extract some number or letter as a common factor. If we look at the first group, we can see that xy is common. So I will extract it out. Xy, and then I have to put the bracket. From the first place, I will left with xy. Then I will copy the sign as it is. Plus, then from 5xy, xy is out and I will left with 5 only, and close the bracket. Coming to the second group, we can see 3 and 15. 15 can come in table of 3, and same. We can see that both the terms have the negative sign. So I will extract 3 minus 3 outside, and inside the bracket I will left with xy and plus 5, because 5 3 times will give me 15 back. Now if you look at the question, we can see that this group is the common group. Extract the common group out, and this will become xy plus 5 into xy minus 3. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 12x square y square minus 17xy minus 40. Okay, the procedure is same, that multiply 40 with 12. Okay, what I will be doing, that I will simply be multiplying 12 by 4, and that will become 48. And recall the multiplication of the number by 10, and I'll increase 0. My product will become minus 480. Now what I have to do, I have to make the prime factors of 480. The suitable factor small s is 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are and 0s are, again 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are and 2 0s are. 2 60s are, 2 30, 2 15 and 3 5s and 5 1s. Okay, write down all the factors in one line. 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. Carefully. 1 2 3 4 5, then 3 and then 5. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to set the factors in such a way that when we are adding or subtracting, we are getting minus 17, and when we are multiplying, we are getting minus 480. Now think what we have to do. If I am taking 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 at one place and 15 at one place, 32 and 15. 32 and 15. When I am taking away 15 from 32, 15 from 32, I can get 17. And when I am multiplying 32 by 15, my product is 480. So I hope this choice is suitable. Second problem is we have to decide the sign of 32 and 15. As the middle term has the negative sign, so the larger factor will have the negative sign. So let's move to the solution. This will become 12 x square y square minus 32 xy plus 15 xy minus 40. Now the question has divided in 4 terms. Make the groups of like terms and extract something common. Like from the first group, 12 and 32, what can be taken as a common factor? I hope 4 is the suitable factor that can be taken from the numbers, and from letters 4xy. I have to put the bracket and I have to think that 4 how many times will give me 12. This is 3 and xy minus 4 how many times 32? 8, because xy is already out. Coming to the second group, 15 and 40 both can come in table of 5, so I'll extract 5 out, and from the first place I will left with 3xy minus 8. Again, this whole group is common. Extract it out. 3xy minus 8, and from the first place I will left with 4xy plus 5. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 4x square y square z minus 22xyz plus 24z. If we look at the question, we can see that this z is common. So in the beginning, extract it out. But again, look at the coefficients 4, 22 and 24. 2 as well is common. So to make the question easy, take 2 and z outside, and inside the bracket I will left with 2x square y square minus 11. This z is out, xy plus 12. Now inside the bracket I have the quadratic expression. Now the procedure is easy and same, that I will multiply 12 by 2 and that product comes 24. Make the prime factors quickly. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. Write down all factors 2, 2, 2, 3 and 1. Now from these all factors, make just 2 numbers in this way that when you add or subtract you get minus 11, and when you multiply you get 24. If I'm taking these 2's together and 3 and 1 at the same place, number will be 8 and 3. I hope this is the suitable choice. Coming to the question, 2z, 2x square y square. Now look, xy, that is the middle term, has the negative sign but product is positive. So the breakup will have both signs negative. 8xy minus 3xy plus 12. Okay, now make the groups of like terms. So from the first group, 2z, 2 and xy will be out, and from first place I will left with xy, minus sign will be as it is, and 4. Coming to the second part, from the numbers 3 and 12, 3 is common, I have to write outside. Then I have to rethink that here the first term, that is xy, has the positive sign, but here we have xy with the negative sign. So what sign I have to write here? This is important to understand. I have to extract 3 out, and inside the bracket I will left with xy minus 4. I hope you have understood this question. So what I have to do, this is the common group, I will extract it out, and it will take the form 2z into 2xy minus 3 into xy minus 4. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 2x square plus y by 3xy minus 2y square. Question is containing one fractional coefficient, so it is better to remove that fraction by taking the LCM, and LCM of the question will be 3. LCM will be 3. Take LCM. So this 3 will be multiplied by 2. This will become 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. Take 1 over 3 as a common factor. This will take the form 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. Easy. That now multiply this 6 with 6 and product comes 36. 36 with negative sign. Quickly make the prime factors. I hope now this method is clear to you. 2 how many times? 18. We should have the command on the tables as well. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Write down all the factors. 2 2 3 and 1. Okay. Set the factors in such a way that when you add or subtract you get 5, and when you multiply you get minus 36. So I hope 3 3 sorry, and then 1. Now if I'm taking these 2's together and these 3's together, 4 and 9. Yes, if I'm taking away 4 from 9, I can get 5, and when I'm multiplying 4 by 9, I can get 36. Now the problem is that I need positive 5, so the bigger factor will have the positive sign and the smaller factor will have negative sign. Coming back to the question, 6x square plus 9xy minus 4xy minus 6y square. I hope this is clear. Now quickly make the groups of like terms. Make the groups of like terms and extract number or letter as a common factor. From the first group, I can see 6 and 9 both are coming in table of 3. So I'll extract 3 out, and from letters x. On the first place, I will left with 2x. Sign will be coming as it is, plus. From 9xy, 3 and x is out, and I'm left with 3y. Coming to the second group, I can see from 2 and 6, I can have 2 outside. Both the terms are negative, so with minus sign, and y. And inside the bracket, I will left with 2x plus 3y and close the bracket. Now again, see that this whole group is common. So extract it out. 1 over 3 into 2x plus 3y into 3x minus 2y. This was all about for today's class. I hope you have understood today's lesson. For the understanding of next questions, please catch me in the next class. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. And please write your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.